I'm taking a huge risk by putting my camera on a candle and a hairspray. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It is later on in the day. It's 3:45 and the time has come. Your girl needs to pack for her trip, and I've been kind of like pushing it back as much as I can because sometimes it can be a little daunting and overwhelming just to pack and figure out outfits. But let's do it. I had such a productive day today. I worked from home today, so I got a lot of things done. I swept, mopped the house, did all of the laundry, did all of the bed sheets for the game room, the guest room, our bedroom, and I bathed Newman. And what else? I went to my running class and I am good. Now I'm here, I'm showered. I'm actually in this muumuu that my friend gave me because her birthday was last weekend, and it was really fun. We did each other's makeup and she gave all of us muumuus from Walmart, and this is the one I got, which is super cute. It's just palm trees, bananas, and I believe these are lemurs on here. But it's so cute, so comfortable. I've actually been meaning and wanting to get more muumuus to wear at home. I have been up, running, doing all these things, tidying up the house because Alexander's mom is flying in tomorrow at 12 p.m. She's staying here because she's going to be watching our dogs while we're gone. I believe I mentioned that in my last vlog, but she's staying here to watch the dogs while we're out on our trip, which is again so sweet of her to do so. The fan is on because you guys know I'm a hot girl. Okay, so first things first is I need to have a couple of light outfits to wear because our first destination is we're actually going to go see my brother in Florida, and it's going to be like 85 and sunny, which I am looking forward to because right now it's hurricane season. So over there it's been pouring rain so much, and thank God it's going to be clear blue skies when we get there. I need to find two outfits to wear that is light, honestly very comfortable outfits. And then the next couple of destinations we're going to be going, it's going to be pretty cold. I would say mid 40s to high 50s, so I have to figure that out. Let's start packing, y'all. All right, I am trying to put outfits together, but I'm going to call Lucine to see if she's available to help me out because like I don't know. Let's see if she's gonna answer. I'm gonna FaceTime her. She might be busy. She's busy, it's okay. And so far I got 2 outfits. I need 3 outfits to put together, and this one might be my 3rd one. It's a super long cardigan that their mom gave me for Christmas, and this one looks so good. Like just so cozy. But I'm debating. Oh, look, she's calling me back. She's calling me back. Hi, are you free to talk for a little bit?
Just for a little bit. I have work after work.
I wanted to FaceTime you to see if you can help me like pick out a couple of outfits for our trip.
Sure, yeah.
Ooh, okay. I'm gonna call you on FaceTime.
Okay.
Yay. All right. I think I got everything I need for this trip. Lucine was such a big help. Just got off the phone with her. But yeah, I have all my outfits picked out for each day, and I'm reusing a couple of items. That way I'm not overpacking because it's such a short trip. I don't want to overpack. And a few of these outfits are going to be like new. I have not worn some of these items. So yeah, it's casual, simple, comfy, but cute. Cute enough to take some pictures. I am happy with that. And then I am going to pack 3 necklaces and 1 pair of earrings. This is majority of what I'll be bringing on the trip. One thing that I hate about packing is that you can't pack everything at once. You have to wait until those last minute items to pack, like skincare. I like to pack all of that last minute. Makeup, that's the only thing. I just wish I can just throw everything in there, but it's okay. I also do want to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Look at this little boy napping right here. All right, let's sit here really quick. Okay, I do want to show you guys what I got from Amazon a few weeks back in preparation for this trip. I got these travel size silicone tubes for traveling because, oh my god, I know I'm such an idiot. I've just been buying travel size shampoo, conditioner, deodorants, all that stuff, and I'm like, I know this has been in the market for so long. I'm like, why can't I just buy this and start using my own shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, all that stuff in here. They're so cute. I got the apricot colors. Only thing is I do wish they come with labels, but it's okay. So this is how they look. Love the colors. I'm going to put lotion in one of them, conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. They are 3 fluid ounces. They're perfect. They are TSA approved. And they come in so many different colors on Amazon. I remember I will try to link it down below for you guys, but love this. Let's go ahead and fill this up. And they just look like that. I'm gonna pump some of this Aveeno lotion in here. That way I can stop buying these expensive little travel size things. Such a ding dong sometimes. Okay. 3 fluid ounces done. This one will be for the body wash. I'm just going to pour, honestly, the rest of this in here. I think this is just the one from Bath and Body Works. All done. I'm gonna do the conditioner now in here. And then the last one is shampoo. All done. And we are good to go with these. I love this. I just realized that I can pack my makeup because from now until we fly, I'm not going to be wearing any makeup. So perfect. Oh my god, I completely forgot about this fanny pack that I got from Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. And I use this to go to Canada and I love it. So I'm going to be carrying this around the whole time. I'm going to use this instead of my other fanny pack because the other black fanny pack that I got from Target, it's a lot smaller and this one will hold more things. So I already have a few things in here like hand sanitizer, my little perfume, and my passport, but let's do the makeup. I always have this one little hair that sticks out. Just ignore it, you guys, because I don't want to pull it out. I already have makeup wipes in here. I got this cute little setting spray from NYX, the marshmallow one. Love this one. I got the regular size and I'm almost out, so I got the travel size for the trip. Gonna bring that. Of course, foundation, eyebrows, definitely need that. Eyeshadow primer, concealer, mascara, lash curler. Ooh, which one should I bring? The liquid blushes from e.l.f. I'm gonna bring this one. Yes. Very well. This will be perfect because it's like fall now. I've been loving this palette that my cousin got me for Christmas. I've been loving this color up here and that one. I pretty much use those like every other day, but I'm gonna bring this with me. bronzer. I'm gonna finish this mascara on our trip, so I'm gonna throw that in there. This one is for my bottom lashes only. I'm debating if I should bring a face primer. I'm gonna skip out on this because I have a setting spray, right? My powder, my Airspun powder, just restocked on this last week. And then lip stuff, lip products. All right, for sure I want to bring Lana. I love Lana. Okay, I'm just gonna bring my Stripped Down by NYX. So these will be my 2 lip colors for the trip. What's up, baby? Sweet boy. My sweet little menace. And then obviously I'm gonna bring my lip oil, but that's going to be in my little fanny pack. And I think we're good on makeup here. Yes, 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 yes. I'm just putting it in this bag that I got from Miss A. Here are my brushes. What's up, baby? You want some loving? Yeah? You want to go outside? Outside? Hey, human! You want to go outside? Let's go outside! Take a little break from packing. Let's go outside. I know, you guys are happy. Ready? Go! Go, go, go! They're both like, wait, you're not coming? Okay, I am done packing for the day. Yeah, now I can relax. I am hungry because all I had today was yogurt for breakfast and a protein shake. And then after my running class, I just had a bowl of peaches and watermelons and a couple of Oreos. That's all I had today, but I'm going to wait until Alexander gets off and maybe we can go swing by and get a quick dinner somewhere. He should be done in the next like 15 to 20 minutes. He always calls me whenever he gets off work, so he's gonna be calling me very soon. Yeah, we'll see what we get into whenever Alexander gets off, but other than that, it's gonna be a chill Friday. Morning, it is now the next day. I didn't get out of bed until 10:30 this morning, and I'm like, shoot, I have an hour to like wake myself up, get ready to go pick up his mom. I'm just gonna head to the airport, take my time getting there. I'm gonna pick her up and then we're gonna go grab lunch. But I am driving Alexander's car right now to go pick up his mom because he has the toll tag stickers, my car doesn't. Did like a little car switcheroo for the time being. Okay, let's go pick up his mom. Picked up his mom and we're heading to Olive Garden for lunch. It was lots of traffic on 635 heading to the airport and back. Oh, she looks so nice. Their pink top, the pink bag. Yeah, right? Stylish, yeah. Got the chicken tortellini Alfredo, and then his mom just got basic chicken Alfredo. Cute one. Look at that one. Fun. How cute is that? Oh, it has been a few hours later. Just been laying in bed. I've been pretty tired all day. I actually need a pick-me-up. House coffee from 7 Leaves sounds amazing right now. Or just like a Starbucks pumpkin chai. He's okay, right, Magnus? He wants me to play with him. Give me your ball. Give me your ball. But yes, Alexander's off work now. He went to go grab a quick bite with his mom. And I'm just at home with the doggies. Right? Right? I'm gonna miss you. Are you gonna be good with Grandma? Yeah, with Babushka? Are you gonna be good? Can't believe this trip is coming. It's been 5 months in the making. As you guys are watching this, we're gonna be in Florida. So I'm excited to see Eric and Mega all prepped and all packed for the trip. We're flying out tomorrow night. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!